Hi friends, today I have got 20 powerful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. If you want to know where is the nearest ATM is, where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? When you want someone to turn on the fan, could you switch on the fan please? Could you switch on the fan please? If you want to ask about today's date, what's today's date? What's today's date? See, these are very short, simple, and powerful. Keep repeating with me. When you need help carrying a bag, can you help me carry this bag? Can you help me carry this bag? If you want to check if someone is busy, are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? When you need someone to close the door quietly, please close the door gently. Please close the door gently. If you want to know the next bus time, when is the next bus? When is the next bus? When you want to ask if a shop sells milk, do you sell milk here? Do you sell milk here? If you want to borrow someone's phone charger, can I use your phone charger? Can I use your phone charger? When you want to ask if the seat next to someone is free, is anyone sitting here? Is anyone sitting here? If you want to ask where the nearest pharmacy is, where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? When you want someone to explain something again, could you explain that again? Could you explain that again? If you want to know when the shop opens, what time do you open? What time do you open? When you need help finding your way, could you help me find my way? Could you help me find my way? If you want someone to pass you the salt, please pass me the salt. Please pass me the salt. When you want to check if someone speak English, do you speak English? Do you speak English? If you want to know the time in another city, what time is it in New York? What time is it in New York? When you need to ask if the train stops at your station, does this train stop at my station? Does this train stop at my station? If you want to know if the restaurant has vegetarian food, do you have vegetarian food? Do you have vegetarian food? When you want to tell someone you are feeling tired, I am feeling really tired. I am feeling really tired. Great job, friends. Now your homework time. Try answering the question on the screen in the comments below. If you keep practicing daily, you will see a big improvement in your English. See you in the next video. Thank you.